Today, we're diving into the latest updates on Samsung's Galaxy S25 series. Get ready for a revolutionary smartphone experience. Samsung's latest products have taken the smartphone sector by storm. From foldable phones to wearable smart rings, innovation knows no bounds. But what's next? The Galaxy S25 series is on the horizon. With each version, Samsung pushes the limits of innovation. But this time, there's a twist. Sources suggest the Plus variant might be discontinued. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to boast a sleek new design, thinner frame, and cutting-edge features. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to have a new design that differs from the S24 Ultra. Recent leaks and renderings have shown significant modifications, including a reworked frame and lighter structure. Ice Universe reveals the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be the thinnest S Ultra phone ever, measuring just 8.4 millimeters. Its rounded form takes inspiration from the iconic Galaxy Note 7. Capture life's moments like never before. The Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts 200 megapixel main sensor, 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens, 50 megapixel telephoto unit with 3x optical zoom, 50 megapixel periscope camera with 5x optical zoom. The Galaxy S25 series is getting a major performance upgrade with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 CPU. Enjoy unrivaled gaming performance, seamless multitasking, lightning-fast uploading. Stay connected anywhere, anytime. The Galaxy S25 Ultra may feature satellite connectivity, allowing emergency calls via satellite when cell coverage is unavailable. The Galaxy S25 series is a giant leap forward with sleek new design, advanced camera technology, enhanced performance. What features excite you most about the Galaxy S25 series? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech news and updates.